Present perfect versus simple past. What on earth are you talking about? So, what is the present perfect tense? First things first, what are verbs? You're probably familiar with verbs. They are the words that show actions or states of being. I am the teacher. He is not very nice. Think of tense as time. Present, past, and future are tenses or times. The simple past tense is used when you know exactly when something happened. The event ended and was completed at a specific time. It's over, finished, done. On the other hand, the present perfect is not as specific. When something starts in the past and continues over time, you should use the present perfect. What does that mean? Excellent question. When the event took place is unclear. It started in the past and was completed at some point. The actual ending time for the event is unclear or unspecified. For example, I have eaten squash at least 3 times. When? None of your business. I have studied for the exam. Yes, I did. I haven't studied for it today. I may have failed the exam because I didn't study for it when I was supposed to, but I have studied. I've seen that show. I've seen it 3 times. You're really talking about the subject, which is I or you, he or she, plus have or has, and the past participle. He has gone. We have known. I have learned. They have studied. It's a verb phrase. You need 2 verbs, have and the past participle, to create the present perfect. Have and or has are in the present tense. Seen is the past participle of the verb to see. Many people make a mistake of saying, I seen it, instead of I saw it, or I have seen it, or I've seen it. Please don't do this. The mistake is a result of hearing people say, I've seen it, but not clearly saying the reduced form of have. Here's a helpful tidbit if you've ever studied Spanish. I have gone. I have spoken. So, yo he ido, yo he hablado. We have eaten, hemos comido. She has studied, ella ha estudiado. Have and has are auxiliary verbs. They are there to help the verb phrase. There are many websites with lists of irregular past participles, and there are lots of them. So many irregulars. But the first 3 that you've got there are all irregular. Gone, spoken, and eaten are irregular. Regular past participles, just like it says here, look regular because they look just like the past tense. So you just add ed like a regular past tense verb. So which one should you use? Read the 2 examples below, pick the correct sentence, and make sure you know why your choice is correct. Not enough to say it sounds good. So example 1, I have eaten yesterday, I ate yesterday. Which one sounds right? Which one is right? And tell me why. The other one, since I started college, I have learned how to organize my time. Or, since I started college, I learned how to organize my time. Those listed in blue are correct. Yesterday is a specific time, so it has to be past tense. And in the other one, since is used. It tells you that you're not sure when the things actually happened, but it was over time. So the difference between the past and the present perfect are like this. Simple past is complete. Present perfect started in the past but continued over time. Simple past often uses yesterday or last week or the other things listed here. Present perfect could have occurred many days, weeks, or years ago. Often the present perfect is used with the phrases for or since.